So many tailors have been having issue of their sleeve not balancing, not fitting perfectly to the armhole. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut a sleeve that will fit perfectly in your armhole and how to cut a perfect armhole. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. And remember, it is free to subscribe to a YouTube channel, totally free, and you can do that in less than 5 seconds. So let's get to it. So first we are going to be cutting a free sleeve, a sleeve that will not be planted at the shoulder. So first I'm going to measure the width of the sleeve. For this video I'm going to be using 7.5 as the width. So 7.5. From this side to this side is the width, while from this side to this side is the length of the sleeve. So I'm going to connect. So this free sleeve is easily cut with the use of French curve. If you have your French curve. So we are going to place this French curve on it like this. Because this is a free sleeve, no plating at the shoulder, we are only going to take 5 inches inward around this side. Remember, from this side to this side is the length. So after taking 5 inches inward, we are just going to mark following the French curve. So this is it. Simple as this. If you are giving it all those curves, will make it not to balance on the armhole. Remember, this is a free sleeve, no planting at the shoulder. So 6 inches. I've added my sewing allowance to it, everything. Then I'm just going to connect on this side. And this is it. This is a free sleeve. If you cut your sleeve like this, it is going to fit perfectly in your armhole. So next we are going to be cutting the armhole. So assuming you have gotten all the body measurements needed, I got this by dividing the shoulder by 2. The shoulder was 16, so I divided it by 2 and I got 8. So after getting 8 on this side, I took 1 inch downward, then connect, mark it straight from the shoulder to the neck slantly. So after that, I've gotten all the body measurements. So what we are going to be doing is to cut the armhole, to mark for the armhole. I mark 8 inches around the shoulder like this. So I'm also going to come down and mark 8 inches to get a straight line. So I'm just going to connect straight from this point to this side. Next thing is to get the depth of the armhole, to get the deepness of the armhole. So to get the deepness of the armhole, you are just going to divide the bust measurement by 6. Then whatever result you get, add 1.5 inches to it. So I divide my bust by 6, 36 divided by 6, and I got 6. I added 1.5 inches to it and I got 7.5. So this point is supposed to be here. So after getting 7.5, I'm going to take 1 inch inward. 1 inch inward. So after taking 1 inch inward, you are just going to place your French curve on it like this. And you are going to mark, simply mark. To this point. And this is how to get the perfect armhole